Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. Today I'm here with another new video in which I will explain about how you can enable the OTG in your device Realme 9i. But firstly, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the video. In this video I will explain how you can enable the OTG in your device Realme 9i. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand how you can enable the OTG in your device.